For once.
All right. I won't touch anything.
I still yearn to claw the furniture.
And I just want a cracker. Any cracker will do.
Is it just me, or is it crazy dry in here?
You okay, Ray?
I'm good.
As I was saying, it's got a 54 giga. Get your hand away from that button! You will kill us all if you touch that button!
Sorry, won't happen again. You're good, you get a treat. But when you're bad, you get the spray bottle. I replaced all the blood you lost with my own.
Your blood?
In us?
Gross!
Please remove it!
Oh, come on, I saved your lives.
I'm thirsty. Refreshing.
Oh, no. I forgot to feed her. She's dead!
May I eat her?
No, she's gonna have a dignified funeral.
What was that about, Star?
Outside, I saw the cat.
Cat!